already told this nigga that he see me, that he gon' put me on the shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let us get to the church, Ooh, like young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo here move a ton of days.
Y'all know what it is. I'm at the lot today, baby. Let's see it, man. Yeah, good. You could do that?
Not that good.
Huh? Ride that. I'm not as good on it as you guys. I'm not as good on it as you guys. I seen you pull it up over there. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh! Oh shit! Definitely don't. Everything you do on that, I can do on this. lift it up and smack that bitch.
First gear, raise it up, skid stop after your skid stop.
What if I'm practicing with my left foot on the back?
You don't put it on the ground.
Don't put it on the ground.
That's what Cleo said he does.
Fuck what Cleo said, he sucks. Go.
Hey, they're trying to make you fuck your ass.
Because I told him to
You can put your foot on the ground.
First and second, dude. That's
Do you
how
know the
gotta
brake
do it.
Gotta
yet?
show motherfuckers how to wheelie that bitch. I just watched that motherfucker too. Try to.
Do you know how to use the brake yet?
Yeah, that's why I've been trying to play.
Let's see it.
Run that bitch, bud. John. Let's sit up the second.
Is he even about to, what is he doing? Is he about to not even pop clutch and keep his foot down? Come here. Hey, if you're gonna keep your foot down, pop the clutch. Don't keep your foot down and try to power it up.
It feels weird as fuck. It feels weird as fuck.
Too loose? Nah,
It's not too bad though, bud. It's about,
Nah, that's good.
yeah, it's good.
That's good. I would tighten it a little bit, but
He
it's
said
alright.
something about this right here.
That's the hot start. Don't touch it.
Yeah, if it gets hot.
If it gets hot,
Yeah, you want to fuck with that. I need to
get some oil too. Do I need oil? Yeah. That wouldn't be right. Just a little bit. Come over here. I got one right here.
if you put your foot down using it as an anchor that fucking fast, when the bike does go back, you're coming straight off of it.
Like dragging almost, kind of.
No, you do. He's doing that because he's good. If you try to do that, you're gonna come straight off of it.
So
He's not using it as an anchor. He's just putting his foot down for style. If you're gonna
just
put
keep doing what I'm doing or whatever.
no, if you're
real slow.
go fucking slow. Pop
Like
the
first
clutch.
gear though, and then pop.
First
the clutch
gear,
with one
pop.
finger.
If you want your foot down, pop the clutch and bring it all. Yeah, from a dead stop. Look, just like this, like that, and bring it up. That's exactly what he's doing. That's what you need to be doing.
Tell him to do it. Do it one more time.
Do it one more time. Look. Bring it all the way back. His foot is helping
No,
it.
that's the only thing I'm scared about. Is I'm like once I bring it up, I'm gonna
Because
come back.
when you're
That's all.
going that slow, when you got your foot down, if it comes back too far, let go of the bike. You'll stand up on 2 feet like that.
You ain't gonna hurt this bike, dude. If you wreck it, I'm just telling
That's all I'm scared about. Is
you.
like
1, 2 mile an hour, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. You're gonna fucking bend the handlebar, fucking break the plastic.
That man's teaching now. You see that? Hey, hop on this thing. You ready? Think we can do this?
Get it up.
Hold on, like right there in the middle.
No, I don't want to come off the bike. Wait.
We gotta yank up at the same time. Ready?
Wait.
There's gotta be a together thing. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Alright, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, shit!
You yanked that bitch too hard. Alright, let's go face this way. We're about to be able to do it. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Yes, sir! Hey, throw this motherfucker down, man! Hey. Alright, you ready? Turn it around. Oh, shit, Tom!
Just hold on.
Ready?
That nigga's about to get bite. You gotta record that nigga get bite.
Alright, let's go. Go over there. Go over there. He's not gonna pop it up. He's scared of the throttle.
I don't think so.
Yeah, he's scared of the throttle. Oh, shit. Oh, I was about to say, who is that?
He's mad as fuck. Why is he mad?
Hold on. Let me off before you go over there. He's mad as fuck. You gotta learn that clutch, my boy. tuning, and then it shifted. What the fuck are you doing?
Hey, let me give you this bike and you hit that fucking
You
jump.
got street tires.
Let me give you this bike and you hit that fucking
You got
jump.
street tires. Record it.
Hit it as hard as you can.
Alright.
So what's this one? This just got all the black. Ooh, that's nice, dude.
Hey,
Wow, that was good.
hey.
Is this the best one yet?
Think so?